Hi everyone, it's 𝐸𝑚𝑎�. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Mr. Traveler is standing on the other side of the of the camera and he says hello too. Today I'm going to be bringing you my spring fling looks that I had on the last cruise that we went on. I got such an overwhelming response on where did I get the dresses from that I decided to bring this video to you. So if you love it, give me a thumbs up for my hard work and make sure you subscribe to Mr. Traveler as well as 𝐸𝑚𝑎�. You can also follow us socially where you can keep up with us on a daily on Facebook at Mr. Traveler or 𝐸𝑚𝑎𝓅. Okay, let's get into the video. Let's get into the good stuff. The first thing I want to bring you is the dress that I'm wearing now. This dress was very, very economical on Amazon and it has pockets. It's so cute. It feels great in this 85 degrees that I live in Florida. A smock all the way around. All the way around is a smock fit. This dress is actually a little bit too big for me. It's actually a medium, but I should have sized down to a small because it runs kind of big. So make sure you keep that in mind when you're ordering. And I want to link everything down below for you so you can go ahead and order it, whatever you like. The next dress is this really pretty, my husband called it a tulip. And I wore this dress on the last cruise that we went on. This dress is so pretty. It is all white. I love to wear white on white night. And this particular dress has tooling at the bottom. It has 1, 2, 3 rows. And it also has like a t-shirt fit at the top. So I really love it. It's light and airy. As you can see, there's wind blowing in my room. And I really love how it fits. It's easy, breezy, and easy to wear for formal night. If you're going on a cruise or if you're at a resort, you're on an island, you like the wind to blow, and you wear your hair up or down, and you just put on some light jewelry with it, maybe some flats, maybe some heels. I would suggest some wedges, maybe some tie-ups, and you can wear this as well. The material is so forgiving that you can throw this in your suitcase, and it's wrinkle-free. So it comes like this. It's actually wrinkled already, but the tooling on it is just made to be wrinkled. So I really love this dress. It's cute. Like I said, I'm going to link everything down below. This dress is a medium. Okay, this next dress I have to take off the hanger because it is so pretty. It is strapless. It's brown and blue. It has island colors in it. And it's hard to find a chocolate brown and blue dress. I really love these colors. I love the pattern. It's not too much and it's not too much in your face. This dress is actually, what size is this? This is a large. So this dress runs kind of small. I had to get this in a large. As you can see in the video, this dress is so cute on. It's easy breezy, cute. It's like a t-shirt material, I would say. It's like a jersey material. It has lining on the inside, if you can see that. That's like a lining on the inside of it, just to make sure it stays up. If you want to wear a strapless bra with it, or you want to wear some mittens over your girls, keep everything nice and taut. When you're wearing it, it is a strapless jersey dress. It's hard to find chocolate and blue together. These colors are so pretty. I got a lot of compliments on it when I wore it on the ship. You can wear it at a resort. You can wear it with flats, so you can wear it with heels. You can dress it up or dress it down. This is the back. This dress is a large because I'm tall, so I like to have it almost dragging the floor, especially if I wear flats. Light jewelry with this, maybe some hoop earrings and your hair slicked back. If my dress is like strapless, I like to wear my hair up. But if it's not, I like to wear my hair down. So it has a seaming in the back. It's stitched very well and it feels like a jersey, like a t-shirt material. It is so pretty. The dress that I actually have it in 2 separate colors. I have it in cream and I also have it in pink. And I think I'm going to get it in another color. This dress is called 𝐕 and it is trending right now. I love a classic look that's trending. It's not trending to where it's going to trend out of style. This is going to last forever. This is chiffon. And look at the material. It's like a a shimmery material, but not in your face shimmery. It's very, very pretty. It has ruffles at the bottom, and it has bellow sleeves. It comes in different colors, and this is the color that I'm wearing on this picture. And I love, like I said, I loved it so much. I wore this particular dress to my family's group cruise for White Night, and then I wore this one on the last cruise for my husband's birthday. I got a lot of compliments on it. A lot of people love this dress. It's, like I said, it's called the Beck, and I have it listed down below for you. It comes in different colors, and it looks totally different on a hanger than it does on your body. I love this dress. It's light and airy. You can wear it up on the shoulders or off your shoulders. And I really like the material. Both of these are mediums. These are medium dresses, and I really love both of them. And the last dress I got from Fashion Nova. This dress did not come from Amazon. It's like a romper. I love rompers. When I cruise, I like to wear one pieces. I like to be one and done. I've cruised over 100 times. I'm on my 103rd cruise now. And this particular romper comes with like a little skirt. It's gathered at the bottom. It's a jersey knit, and it is forgiving. So if you go to the buffet or you like to eat like me, then it's very forgiving. It has a tie around the waist, and you could dress it up or down. I have worn this many times. You've seen this on my channel, and with Mr. Traveler, when we're traveling, I love rompers like this. You will see me in these all the time because you don't have to think about a bottom or a top when you're packing. So I like to eat. When I pack, I like to be easy and, just pack and get it out the way. I may wear something twice. I don't care because I'll never see these people again unless you're one of our fans and you group cruise with us. But I really love this jersey fit, this jersey knit with a tie waist, and it's like a t-shirt material. And I really, really love this. Anything that's a romper, you can sign me up for it. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching today. I appreciate each and every one of you, Glams. And make sure that you follow us on YouTube as well as Facebook and Instagram. And if you want to see more videos like this, you're more than welcome to come on back. I'll have more videos and looks for you. I do beauty on here. I do home decor. Sometimes I even go shopping, and I take you with me. So if you love vlogs like this, make sure you join the GLAM team. Thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye.